Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrew. Today I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing at the gym. So to start off, I went on the incline incline bench press machine, and I put two 20 kg plates. So we are benching 60 kgs over here for 10 reps. This is a little try set that I'm doing at the gym. So we do 10 reps of that, and then I just grab some 7.5 kg dumbbells just to do 10 reps of the flies as well, incline dumbbell flies. This really stretches the upper chest muscles. It's pretty good. I like it. And then I was thinking, what can I do to tri-set it? Yeah, I just grabbed back those 7.5 kgs and did some close grip dumbbell incline press, just to form that line from your chest, your upper chest, that line that you get. You can do this easy little light workout to get that line from the chest. So this is my second set, pumping another 10 reps here. You can see this video is 9 minutes 37 seconds, and I completed this workout in 45 minutes. So you'll see how much rest I did. So the rest periods are between, I think it's like 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so you first do the incline bench press, followed with some flies. If you followed my channel from the beginning, you can see my stomach was very huge. So for the past week or two, I have been doing ab workouts after my weight training session, so it's really helping with how I train with the weights. You got to have a strong core to do workouts. So while I'm doing these incline bench press, it's kind of easy. So I think next week I need to increase some weight. I need to do one session of compound lifts with a little bit of weight increase, so maybe adding extra 5 kg on both sides, just to shock the muscles and grow and improve. Because when the workout becomes easier, I think if it becomes easier, it's good for your body. You're getting stronger, and yeah. But you can see that for the past 3 days I haven't been working out. So yeah, it's near the Christmas season, and we're always eating good food, going out in restaurants and stuff. So the past 2 days I had some Turkish food, and that I don't know, it messed up my diet a bit, but I'm back on track today. That Turkish food, all that seed oils, but it's very delicious. I don't want to lie, Turkish food. So it's all about getting back into the gym and also tracking your calories. So after the bench press, I went to the lat pull down machine over here. So I did 15 reps at 40 kgs. Then followed with the 7.5 kg bicep curls for 10 reps. So total 25 reps for this superset over here. I was thinking about going to do some back machines, but today there was just too much people at the gym, and I don't want to put my camera there and film, and then they get pissed or something. Well, Well, a lot of people, they don't really mind, but you never know. So I just looking for spots where there's not much people, and then just doing a good workout. So yes, so I'm doing these wide pull downs, so it works on your lats, and then followed with some dumbbell bicep curls over here. I like doing supersets and trisets these days. It's like, because I'm trying to shred down and get lean, it's better to do more reps in the session to try to get more reps in a short amount of time. So yeah, supersets and trisets are best. So I saw the deadlift area was quiet, so I just went to do some deadlifts. So I stacked 20 kg plates on both sides, so we are deadlifting 60 kgs over here. The barbell is 60 kgs, so I did 3 sets of 10 reps over here. So I've been watching other YouTube channels, and some people like doing the wide stance to do these deadlifts. It does work like on your inner thighs. That's how I feel it when I do this, but it's much harder when you do this, but it keeps your body straight while you're doing this workout. So now this is my second set. I just went put my legs closer to shoulder width, and the workout became easier. When your legs are like shoulder width, you can feel like the deadlifts is working your full back more. When you stretch your legs wide, you can feel like it's working a little bit on your lower back, and mostly it's working on your thighs. So yeah, that's the difference that I feel when you do wide leg deadlifts. So closed leg deadlifts, yeah, works on your back totally nice, and it also works on your calves, because mostly I just do squats and leg press for my leg workouts. I don't really do calf machines because it sometimes that make your calves weird. You can't wear your jeans and all that stuff nicely, so I don't do that. But to work on my calves, I use the deadlifts to strengthen my legs as well. Also, to work on the calves, you don't need the machine. Just go like sprinting on the treadmill, sprinting uphill. You work on your calves, you'll get deadly strong calves from sprinting. So yeah, if you're not a bodybuilder, you don't need to do those calf machines to get big calves. I don't know why people love big calves. It's like when you try to blow a kick at someone for MMA or something, you can't even do it because your thick calves are so heavy. So yeah, once I was done with that, I went to do some barbell rows over here, as you can see. Also with 20 kg plates on both sides. Did the reverse grip barbell curl over here. Now the front grip, it works on like your upper back, up near your shoulders. That's how I feel it when you do these kind of workouts. And when you do it with the reverse grip hold, it works more on your like midsection of your back. That's how I feel it. So yeah, to do this barbell workout's best to you can try both sides. You can feel it on both areas of your body. Yeah, so you want tougher shoulders, you do the front grip, and you want to work more on the back, you do the reverse grip. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, catch you back next time. Hopefully tomorrow I do another workout and I heal properly. Oh yeah, I also just took 20 grams of whey protein to recover. Okay, thanks guys for watching.